No one's finding me. There's no space. Chase is out. Oh, that's so good. I'll drive.
I can't believe they don't know what you're doing. So fast. Look at the other brothers. Not sad. See, there's their sister. And there's my brother. I'm the one that Take the batteries out, Aubrey. Yeah. Lacey, on. Lacey, on. Your turn. Go. Now we watch the little girl. The bigger girl. Go. Go do her hair. By the way, green girl 2, yellow, red girl 4. As you can see, my brother has lost a bit of weight.
I've gained a lot of weight.
As you can see, she's a big fat idiot. Oh, would you look at that?
Ella has such small arms. Or at least they look small. So fat, number 5. 5, number 5, hi. You should put that on YouTube.
That's what you do. That's hilarious.
This is supposed to go. She broke it.
This is little girls trying to do hair. By Chase D. Tune in next time for Fat Little Girls Sword Fighting. This is our star, Fatty number 5. This is USA Fatty.
How do I know?
She just threw that. She just threw that. She is too. She is awesome. Thank you, everybody, and bye.